Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to install WP Mail SMTP in WordPress. This plugin is essential for ensuring your WordPress emails actually reach their destination instead of ending up in spam folders, making it a must-have for any serious website owner. First, you'll need to log into your WordPress dashboard. Simply open your browser and navigate to your website's admin area by typing in your domain, followed by /wp-admin. Enter your username and password to access the back end of your site. This is where all the magic happens and where you'll be able to manage your plugins and settings. Once you're in the dashboard, look at the left-hand sidebar where you'll find all your main WordPress menus. Navigate to Plugins and hover over it. A submenu will appear with several options. From this submenu, select Add Plugin. This will take you to the plugin installation page where you can search through thousands of available plugins to enhance your website's functionality. Now you'll see a search bar in the top right corner of the plugins page. Click on it and type in WP Mail SMTP. As you type, WordPress will automatically start showing you relevant results. You should see the WP Mail SMTP plugin appear in the search results. It's typically one of the top results, and you'll recognize it by its name and icon. When you've found the correct plugin, you'll notice an Install Now button right next to it. Go ahead and click on Install Now. WordPress will begin downloading and installing the plugin automatically. This process usually takes just a few seconds depending on your internet connection speed. You'll see a progress indicator while the installation is taking place. After the installation completes, the Install Now button will transform into an Activate button. This is an important step because simply installing the plugin doesn't make it functional yet. Click on Activate to enable the plugin on your WordPress site. Once activated, WP Mail SMTP will add a new menu item to your dashboard where you can configure your email settings and connect it to your preferred email service provider. And that's it. You've successfully installed WP Mail SMTP on your WordPress site, giving you reliable email delivery for all your website communications. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.